Hey guys, so if there's one thing I've learned with e-learning is as soon as I think I have Google figured out and I get a system in place, I have learned that Google will find a way to destroy that thought in my mind. So some of you maybe are looking at your assignments going, Mrs. Moran doesn't know her alphabet, and I can reassure you in the state of South Dakota, we do learn the alphabet. So you may have noticed the one thing I guess I try to strive for, and I hope you've noticed this year, is I like things to be consistent. Makes it easier for you, makes it easier for me. So I try to start out the notes and keep it together as days, day 1, day 2, and day 3. So day 3 lesson was working on grams to moles and moles to gram type conversions. And the instructions tell you to work on Worksheet C. If you look at the attached Google Doc, it is not Worksheet C, but Worksheet D. So what I do every day is I take the previous assignment, duplicate that, and then use it to create an assignment. So Google pulled some black magic on me and somehow changed the posted assignment even though I never posted said assignment. So really Worksheet C should have been posted to the classroom, and a student brought it to my attention that it really wasn't Worksheet C. So the moral of the story is the goal was for tomorrow for you guys to kind of wrap up days 1 through 3. So I've seen some of you have turned it in. I haven't had a chance to look at those assignments, but I haven't received any questions yet. So what I want to do to help you out is just give you this screen. I can attach it as a Google Doc, so if you want to print it, take a picture of it, save it onto your phone, whatever works for you. The other thing is you don't obviously need to draw the pictures out, but you can use this roadmap to help you. So where we are at is we've only worked with this bottom half of the screen. So what this does is it's kind of like a roadmap, and it tells you what information you need to convert. So the goal was in Worksheet D is to blend together Avogadro's constant and molar mass. They are all one-step conversions. What's different though is you have to decide which information you need. Worksheet A had you work with just Avogadro's constant. Worksheet C, and what you would have seen with, as we saw in lesson 3, is how to do conversions with molar mass. So what you have to look at is what is the problem giving you and what is it asking you to solve for. If you remember, mass is anything with grams. So this tells you if you are going, let's say you have grams and you want to know how many moles you have, this is what you need. This is the direction you're going to take to go that way. So it tells you need molar mass. Vice versa, if a problem gives you moles and it wants to know the mass of it or how many grams, this is the path you will take. That molar mass would be in the top. So again, anytime you work with mass, you need molar mass. Now the other half of the map that we've worked with is the right-hand side there with representative particles. I'm only having us kind of account for 2 types of representative particles, and that is the atom and MQs for molecules. Okay? So if that problem gives you atoms and molecules and it wants you to solve for moles, this here is your roadmap. Vice versa, if it gives you moles and it wants you to go to particles, it's going to be that bottom half there. So like I said, I'm going to attach this to the assignment for today, and I can also put it in the stream portion of the classroom with this video. Feel free to reach out to me if you're stuck, have questions, concerns. Again, I'm truly sorry about any confusion that maybe the instructions made for you and looking at the assignment that was attached. Like I said, you can be reassured I do know my alphabet. How Google did that dark magic on me and changed out an assignment when I never did is beyond me. So I was a little bit surprised with that. So again, feel free to reach out with me with any other questions or concerns. I hope this handout helps you out a little bit.